They're killers, aren't they? They get rabbits and that.
Careless rabbit is trying to escape.
I don't know.
Holy shit. Here we go. Go Milo, go Milo.
Wait, he'll get going soon. He's teasing himself up. He gets into the rough stuff.
He's trying hard. Hey, he's got all the natural instinct, hasn't he? Go for the throat and fucking shake the fuck out of it.
Get it, Milo.
He knows what he's doing.
Get it, boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it.
I don't think he's gonna.
No.
He's in love too much with it.
I think he's amused with them buttons there around the toes.
He just wants to kill it.
Oh, should I get the big bear?
No, he won't do nothing to Big Bear, Jade. He's going to get out of my way.
I'm sorry.
I thought he was going to stop.
Yeah, me too. He's got it in position.
Uncle Sammy, what about this bear? Uncle Sammy.
No, shush, Jade. Don't show him that one. Oh my God, no.
No.
Take it away. Oh, look, he's getting pissed off. Go away. He thinks the bear's going to take his kangaroo.
Should I give him the real big bear for him?
No.
Look, I've only got 30 seconds left. Go, boy. Jade.